Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Pinterest app's new search tool on iPhone. First, open the Pinterest app on your iPhone and tap on the search bar at the bottom. And then instead of just typing, tap the AI search spark or magic wand option. Tap that option. And then if it's all available in your region, type in a detailed request like modern small bedroom with green essence with, and AI will generate tailored pins and boards. You can also refine results by tapping filters at the top. AI learns from your clicks to suggest better designs, outfits, or receipts. Safety tip: always double check sources before buying anything through AI results. Some points may link to third party sellers that aren't verified. If you don't see AI search, update Pinterest app, go to the App Store or Play Store and then search for Pinterest and then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes your option not showing happens. Because of that, log out and log back into your Pinterest or switch your app regions to US, since features is rolling out gradually. And that's all. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and then subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.